Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to take control of your inbox by blocking specific email addresses from sending you emails in Gmail. Let's put an end to those unwanted messages. So start by opening your Gmail inbox, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click on it and select See All Settings. So navigate to the Filters and Block Addresses tab. Here's where you'll find the option to block specific email addresses. Now please click on Create a new filter. In the From field, enter the email address you want to block. For example, sample email at gmail.com. This ensures those messages won't clutter your inbox anymore. So hit the Create Filter button. And then choose Delete It. When you choose Delete It, it automatically sends email from that addresses to the spam folder. With block addresses, you're reclaiming your inbox peace and quiet. No more distractions from those you'd rather not hear from. And that's it. You've learned how to block specific email addresses from sending you emails in Gmail. Keep your inbox focused on what matters. So thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to block specific email addresses in Gmail. See you on my next video.